The Dior Spring-Summer. 2005. Haute Couture collection by John Galliano was a fusion of history, art, and dramatic contrasts. Galliano began by quoting Bob Dylan, who once said, "Andy Warhol is Napoleon in rags," setting the tone for a runway that would explore the collision of two worlds, those of Warhol's tragic muse, Edie Sedgwick, and the regal world of Empress Joséphine, Napoleon's wife. What began as a fascination with Sedgwick's tragic fame and Warhol's pop art iconography evolved into a narrative blending the raw, rebellious spirit of the 60s with the elegant refinement of the Napoleonic Empire. Galliano's stage design mirrored this collision, with foiled walls and TV screens showing behind-the-scenes footage of the fittings, an homage to Warhol's factory. This visual setup created an immersive experience, allowing the audience to feel like they had entered the heart of an avant-garde experiment. The collection, divided into 3 acts, was a journey through time and style. The first section, simply called Black, opened with a body-hugging black wool dress designed to emphasize the precision of construction. The fabrics were luxurious and detailed, featuring racine jersey, crocodile accessories, and the kind of couture craftsmanship that defined Dior. Galliano's intent was clear. This was a celebration of refinement, even within the simplicity of black. The second act, Red, was where Galliano allowed himself to indulge in artistic irreverence. Red, the color that Christian Dior himself claimed was the most flattering by candlelight, dominated this segment. Galliano referenced Rembrandt and Lucas Cranach for inspiration, but his process was far from traditional. The fabrics were tortured, washed, scratched, and boiled, until only delicate remnants remained, creating an ethereal effect. Tulle, chiffon, and gossamer layers were juxtaposed with rich velvets, resulting in a stunning play of textures and color that felt simultaneously luxurious and raw. In the final act, White, Galliano created an ethereal dreamscape. The pieces here were delicate and fragile, with soft silhouettes made from organza and tulle. Embroidered crystals cascaded down the dresses like falling snowflakes, a striking image inspired by the chandeliers of the emperor's palace. The designs featured empire bustlines, zurbaran bows, and Napoleonic collars, weaving a historical reference into the modern silhouette. The white palette, with touches of blue and white reminiscent of Delft pottery, brought a sense of purity to the collection. While the headpieces, ornate crystal creations inspired by Chinese embroidery, elevated the look to an otherworldly level. Through Galliano's lens, Dior's 2005 Haute Couture collection became a stunning reimagining of the past, mixing the tragedy of Edie Sedgwick's fleeting fame with the timeless elegance of Josephine's Imperial court. The show wasn't just a presentation of beautiful clothes, it was an artful dialogue between the contrasting worlds of pop culture and historical opulence.